Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2007 Honda CBR600RR Supersport. Beautiful black, satin black finish. Comes to us. It's got the smoke windscreen, adjustable levers, fender eliminator. It's got a really awesome sounding carbon fiber exhaust undertail. 35,000 miles on this bike. Price to sell just $54.99. Come on by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. These sound awesome. Yeah. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.